Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this drive belt on a 2005 Acura TSX. You can get one of these belts on Amazon, I'll have the links below, or in your local automotive store. So let's begin. Raise up your car and make sure you use a jack stand and remove the wheel. So you're going to use a 14mm socket wrench or something that can fit in this tight space over here, and pull it clockwise towards you to remove the tension from this pulley. So I'm going to use a PVC pipe and put it on top of this to add more momentum to it to remove it. So let's try it. So with one hand, pull, and then with the other hand, try to remove the belt. Like that. And remove the belt in the area where the wheel was. So in order to install the belt, make sure you route it properly. So I'm just gonna loop it down, and I'm gonna just put it down there first before I start looping it around. So coming from the bottom where we took off the wheel, you wanna loop this belt around this pulley right here first. And then the condenser, the air compressor over here, on this side over here, loop it around, and then go from the top again. So there's a pulley down here. It's hard to see. Let me show you. So there's that pulley right there that this has to go under. So it's hard to see, but I'm gonna try to do it from the bottom. So the belt that's coming from here is gonna go around this tensioner like that, and then the belt that's coming from the compressor is gonna go around that other pulley like that. So let's try to wrap it around there. Okay, so I looped everything around. Now I'm ready to loop this on here, but I need to disengage the tensioner. So let me get that in position. Make sure it's clockwise, and it's a 14mm socket. Let's put this pipe to get us this leverage. Make sure it's aligned everywhere before you release the tensioner, so you don't damage the new belt. And then slowly release the tensioner. Lastly, inspect the belt. Make sure that all the grooves are seated and nothing slipped. And then we're going to try to start it to make sure that it's running fine. Looks good. Everything seems to be running fine. I don't see any weird noises. I don't hear any weird noises or see any vibration or anything like that. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time.